We're constantly trying to figure out the challenges on farm, but we think there's a huge opportunity in markets, as well as looking down the value chain and where farmers can actually really add value to what they're producing. So yeah, we run workshops to get them to think about the end customer and be very customer centric and kind of get out of moving away from the commodity gaming into a high value game, and how that helps them diversify their business but also explore new opportunities.
A couple of days ago I was out in Deniliquin working with some farmers who run a huge, basically they grow rice, grains and run cattle. Got a huge, about 20 different properties all backed up together, and they're exploring algae production. So growing algae on farm, extracting the omega-3 oil for the nutraceuticals market. Which is a totally different field, and it's a very interesting business model they've got.
One of the ones we're going to start working on is with Cherry Company, and they're looking at they have 800 tonnes of waste per year because it doesn't meet market grade, and at the moment it just goes to the livestock sector at a cost for them as well as a business. So we're looking at ways in which we can help them solve that problem, and that's very much around how do they get rid of the waste at a lower cost, or at a cost neutral way, or how do you look at a way in which you convert that waste into something different, and maybe it's juices, maybe it's jam, something different that doesn't distract them from the core business of growing premium cherries. So just really figure out what you want to do and where your passion lies, and what values you stand for as a business.
There's some really absolute jam examples of people who are just doing everything their own way, and they're going to be the winners.